With a great looking hairstyle going on there. Is this actually real? Is this happening? Thrill driver? I look at the front of this box here and I see what looks like the new Nissan Z, the comeback story. Now, this entire vague and mysterious package is courtesy of Nissan. Eugene Levy as Dragon. What? Catch more thrills at thrilldrivermovie.com. Dragon, the ultimate thrill driver. That's the new Nissan Z. I have one of the original Nissan Zs. Back then it was called the Datsun. Look at that. Manufactured Nissan Motor Co. Limited. So the name of the company was already Nissan at the time, but these were still Datsuns in North America. We got the classic, we got the origin story, we got the heritage. They sure don't make them like that anymore. That's from 1974, sent over to us from Monaco Motors in Toronto. This was a fun car, a sporty car. You kind of miss some of these shapes in today's designs. This looks like an action figure promoting an upcoming film. Meet Dragon, the ultimate thrill driver. When he's in the driver's seat of his all-new Nissan Z, thrills shift into a whole other gear. So buckle up, put the pedal down, and accelerate towards an all-out action, because this is bigger than changing lanes. When Dragon's behind the wheel, one drive changes everything. Eugene Levy, he's rolling back the clock here. He's looking quite mysterious and possibly dangerous. This is the 2023 Nissan Z. It's got a lot of styling cues still at this point from the origin story. Hence, the classic model got a 3-liter twin-turbo V6, 6-speed manual transmission, 19-inch super light forged alloy wheels, 350 pound-foot of torque, launch control, maximizing power from 0 to 60, and the unique 3-pod cluster in the dash, which has directly been pulled from those older legendary models. Listen to this. Whew. How about that low end? You do not want to get your fingers stuck in that particular mechanism right there. Woo! The smell of a classic vehicle, I'll tell you what. It's right up there with fresh morning coffee and a glass of cognac. Smells great in here. We got these race-inspired seats. You get a little bit low into the vehicle. This 3-gauge cluster here, apparently also being carried into the modern Z that we're gonna see for 2023. So still very inspired and race-like. Something that caught my attention was this right here, this little lamp. Because your instruments were not backlit at the time, you would have this lamp sort of shine down so you could see your fan speed and whether your heat or cool was on. Below there, you have these really classic looking buttons for choke and rear defogger. Your hazard lights are down here. Look at that. Dedicated mechanical switch for hazards. This is a 4-speed manual transmission. The new model is going to be 6-speed. A little bit of storage here. Actually, I think an ashtray would have originally been there. This entire center console comes off. I'm not sure if it's supposed to or not. Glove box over here. Speed range. Permissible vehicle load capacity. 420 pounds. 2 people. Under 100 miles per hour. Wow. Of course, we got the nice e-brake here. Listen to that. Check out the wheel. My goodness. It's so slender. Just the way they used to do it. Lots of feel right there. And no power steering either. Really been cranking this thing, especially at lower speeds. We still have very traditional gauges. Oh yeah, why don't we go ahead and start it up? Yeah, so they don't sound like that anymore. Hopefully the new generation has some sort of note inspired. It's gonna have 400 horsepower, twin turbo, so that's gonna be pretty cool. These are tattoos. Temporary tattoos of the dragon, so that you can have your very own Eugene Levy starring role type of vibe. You've opened it up, now buckle up. This action-packed package contains your very own limited edition action figure from Thrill Driver, starring Eugene Levy, number 5 out of 25. Look at the expression on Eugene Levy right there. Did you just compare Will Do to Eugene Levy? You know what, not bad. And it's definitely nice to have Nissan back. And the other cool part is that they're sort of staying true to the more classic sports car. Manual transmission, 2-door, 400 horsepower, the fun sports car. So there's a little tiny coffee cup, little key fob as well here with the Z logo. And then of course, Eugene Levy himself, hand-painted little classic action figure, and he's ready to rock. I mean, check the outfit. Is that leather? Is he wearing leather? Definitely got the correct bracelet attire for somebody named the Dragon. Oh, he's got hand tats. There is a Z QR code. Nissan presents Thrill Driver coming soon. Wow. Whoa. They got him done up. I actually like the action figure. Look at that. Look at. Still got it. Look at that rig. 21322. Wonder if he did his own stunts. There's been so many iconic Z vehicles, you kind of forget at times. But this is close to where it all started. We are in a very unique spot in automotive right now. We're seeing so many new innovations, but it's also cool every so often to get some insight into how it all started, where it all came from. So there you have it. That is the Datsun 260Z, one of the earliest Z vehicles predating the Nissan name in North America. Oh, don't forget, look in the description for more information on Thrill Driver if you want to find out about the upcoming film.